Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be doing a Flipkart haul from my recent purchase. There are a lot of deals and offers going on Flipkart. I hope you'll like it, and let's get into the video. OnePlus Z Bluetooth headset. I like this product. I have to say this color specifically. I love grey the most, but this color has my heart. And the features they have got for this product is really awesome. They have a nice water and sweat resistant. It is really working well with me, and I have checked the noise cancellation. It does work wonders for this, and I'll mention the accurate price of this product. I think it's like 2,500 bucks, something around them, but it is a great deal. I love the configuration of this product, and the battery power. I have to say about this, the battery charges like 10 minutes and goes like 3 hours of music audio you can listen to, and I love this product the most. I recently purchased this brushes, and it has a nice quality, I should say. And each brush, okay, that is for something like 5 of them are small brushes, and 5 of them are little bit like foundation and concealer brushes. I really love this product. The product's links will be mentioned down below. Please check the descriptions. Was this nude eyeshadow palette. I love the packaging of this, and yeah, I'll show the colors. These are the colors. It have got like nude, pink and purple, and a lot of glitters. Lip balm. Who doesn't love lip balm? I am most of the time a lip balm person. Lipsticks are occasionally used, but lip balms are my favorite. And I like to try different products and different brands of lip balm. And yeah, now I have purchased this Nivea Peach Shine lip balm, and this is how the packaging look like. I love the color of this, and yeah, this is the texture, and this is the color it looks. I love the fruitish fragrance of this, and the texture is as well goes nice to my skin tone, and it is a good moisturizing lip balm. Cello H2O Octa 1 liter water bottle. Actually, I was on a massive search for water bottles, and I finally found this bottle. I have filled some water in it, and yeah, this is Cello brand, and I love this water bottle just because it contains 1 liter, and it was a great deal for me, and I found it for like 179 rupees. The next purchase of mine was the fairy light you can see behind. Actually, it is an USB connector, and I love the golden color of this, and yeah, it was like for 198 bucks. I love Dreamcatcher, and this was on an offer like for 185 bucks, and I really love this color. It has like 2 shades of blue. It is one darker and lighter, and yeah, I hope this background goes well. This was the setup I have made behind me. It is really going well with the fairy light and the Dreamcatcher combination. I really love this. Miniso Inject series scented candles. This was the product. It has like a blue color, and I love the Miniso candles, and this was a try on, and it was like an offer for 20%, and this was a real steal, I should say. I love this smell, and it has like a fruitish apple smell, I should say. Like the name says, apple safe, and I love this product. These slippers were like for 209 rupees, and I love the quality of this slipper. I got this for just some usual refuse use, not such a durable product, but it is good for the price you can see, and I can't say more of it. It's just a slipper. If you want me to make more videos like this, please do comment down in the comment section. If you like this video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.